Okay, YouTube, we're going to do a very fast, simple, and easy meal tonight. I mean, it doesn't get any more basic than this. Water, I've got a Mountain House meal here. It's spaghetti. There was one of those little plastic paper fresh packs. I always remember to take those out. And got it here in a little Reflectix wrap, sun visor wrap I made. And over here, I've got the water boiling, and I'm using this grill just as a windbreak. I usually do this on the back of my vehicle, but I'm doing it this way tonight for the wind. Close up, it's a backpacking stove. See that flame under there? Maybe that'll show it. So yeah, this is just a backpacking stove and a small fuel canister and my little cook cup pot. That's what I call it. And I haven't timed this. I don't know. It's probably been on here 2 minutes, I'm guessing, but it's starting. A few bubbles are starting. So once we get the water boiled, I'll pour it in here and stir it up with this spoon, and then Ziploc seal the meal, let it sit for, I don't know, whatever, it's usually 7 minutes, I think, 7 or 8 minutes, and then that'll be the main course tonight. So I didn't even get out my camp chair today, right here. I don't know, just keeping it about as simple as I can today. It's 5:30 p.m. I'm eating a little early so I can go take this walk. Thought I heard some walkers coming down the way, but that's not the case. Got the windscreen on the phone. We'll see if it helps. It's a fair amount of wind right now. All right, where are we at on this? That'll show the bubbles in there, or not. Want to eat, get that done, and got organized this afternoon, and offloaded some content, and charged a few things up. I've got a battery pack here I use, and charge my phone that way or other gear without having to start the motor. Alright, come on now. I know it's the wind. I'm losing heat. This might help. I don't know, we'll see, but I'm thinking if someone hadn't taken this site by now, you know, can't say for sure. We'll just have to wait and see what happens. It's a nice campsite. I almost took this one. It's awfully close here to this one next door to it. There's the picnic table, but oh, let me see. Yeah, this is nice, but I could have had someone park here where I'm at, right in front of my view. So this site's nicer. I like it better, but I don't know. I did this early in the morning. I don't know if I thought of that, but now looking at it, glad I got this one. All right. It's getting there. If I had to, I could make that work, but we'll give it a little more. I think just the wind, I'm losing, my flame here, and let's see that. But if it wasn't so windy, certainly it would boil faster. That's about there. Some people walk down, taking a photo of that Oregon pipe cactus. Nice wide view once you just get on the other side of my campsite here in these bushes. Panoramic, wide open. They might be going on that nature trail I want to go on, but it's all right. Sun's still a little high for me. Eat dinner, and then we'll go. All right. It's got to be done. Yeah, it's boiling now. Let me set the phone down and pour this, and then I'll come back at some point. What? All right. Yeah, let me do this and eat dinner, and then I'll come back later. All right. So the spaghetti is, I've stirred it up, left it here in this bag that it came in, and I stirred it up very good with this long handle spoon, and we'll let it sit for, I don't know, 8 minutes. 5:50, 5:56, so 6:04, 6:04 and a half, should be ready to eat. Yeah, I usually cook on this pull-out, but with the wind kind of behind me, I had a better windbreak here. Plus, I didn't want that flame that close with the wind to the vehicle here. All right, I'll come back here in a few minutes.